Today we're sharing our experience with the Members Mark organic coconut oil, a versatile staple in our household that we use for everything from cooking to hair care. What we love most about this coconut oil is its versatility. It's great for cooking at medium heat, making it perfect for sauteing vegetables or even frying eggs. And it's USDA-certified organic and cold pressed, so we feel confident about the quality we're using. One of our favorite uses? Popcorn. Coconut oil gives it that rich, buttery flavor without needing actual butter. We've been using it consistently, and it always delivers delicious results. Beyond the flavor, coconut oil is a great alternative to other cooking oils. It's naturally gluten-free, which is a bonus if you're accommodating dietary restrictions. We also use this coconut oil outside the kitchen. It's amazing for hair care, leaving hair feeling soft and moisturized. And since it comes in a generous 56-ounce container, it lasts a long time. The packaging is simple but functional, and the value is hard to beat compared to other organic coconut oils. It's an excellent deal for the quality and quantity. Overall, Members Mark organic coconut oil is a reliable and versatile product that's earned a permanent spot in our pantry. Whether for cooking or personal care, it's a product we trust and recommend.